friends, hi family, and welcome to LPB Celebrate Fall. And that's what we're going to do today. This is my friend Jackie, and she's here to celebrate and play and learn today. We have some great crafts that you can use things right out of your own backyard. We're going to make some great cookies. But let's talk about fall for a second. Tell me about fall. Is it your favorite season, Jackie?
Yes, it is.
Why?
I love when the leaves change color, and it's just so pretty.
Oh, yeah. What are some of the things that you like to do in the fall that you can't do any other time of the year?
I like usually trick-or-treating and making all my Halloween costumes.
Oh, that sounds cool. Then, of course, we're starting November, and in the end of November, we're going to celebrate Thanksgiving, right? What are some things you like to do at Thanksgiving?
My family and I will make some fun crafts and put them up on the table.
Oh, I love that idea. Well, I'm ready to get started, are you?
Yes.
But first I have a joke. So, why do the birds fly south?
Why?
Because it's too far to walk. All right, let's get busy with our crafts and our delicious cookies we're going to bake today, okay? Hi families, Jackie and I are here to show you how to make nature frames this fall. And this is what a sample of a nature frame looks like. And some of the materials that you see that you'll need are some sticks. You can easily find these out in the yard. You're going to need some twine like this to connect your sticks together. And you also need some items from outdoor, like flowers, some dried leaves. You could use some pine straw. There's all kind of things in nature that you could find for your nature frame.
So first you gotta assemble the frame. Cut a piece of twine like this, and then what will probably make it easy is if you take these pieces off and then leave two together so you can work on those. Then cut a long piece of twine and then start wrapping around. So then, once you have your two pieces like this, then take a long string of twine and then start wrapping it around your two pieces. Now that you're finished wrapping it, we're going to do the same steps for each different part of it. Now that you've secured all the corners, you can start using your long strings to start tying, like with this one. So you have to start by going through each crisscross. One side this way, one part of the string this way, and then one part of the string this way. And then once they're all done, the next step is to decorate with your dried nature. And these are very delicate, so you may want to use some kind of like tweezers. And this part, I would say use some hot glue because they may not stay with normal glue.
Alright, Jackie, I'm going to put a dot of hot glue right here, and you can use your tweezers and put it right on there. Yep, and let's try to smash that down as much as we can so it'll stick. Perfect.
point, you can put a hanger on it so you can hang it anywhere. So now that you have it all complete with your string attached for a handle, you can have it. You can have a family photo, a menu for Thanksgiving, or even just a poem like in this example right here. Once you have it all done, you can put it wherever you want in your house, and you can have Thanksgiving with it. And it's a fun decoration just to have in your house at all times.
There's nothing like a warm batch of cookies to celebrate fall. So maybe when you come in from a nature trail or even at Thanksgiving, you're going to want to try these wonderful peanut butter cookies, and I bet you have the ingredients at your home.
Welcome, families. Thank you for joining us today. We are about to make a very special fall treat, flourless peanut butter cookies. And you have most of these ingredients already in your home, so it's not something that you have to search for. And today our special friend Jackie is going to share what those ingredients are.
1 cup of smooth peanut butter, a half a cup of sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
So we're going to get started. I'm going to let you begin. You may put your peanut butter. And once you have stirred all the ingredients in, we're going to roll our peanut butter batter into 12 balls and place them on our cookie sheet. So here's our cookie sheet. And once you've rolled out your dough into 12 small balls, we're going to crisscross a pattern on top of each ball for our peanut butter flourless cookies. We're going to go like this, pick it up, go like that. Can you do that? That's great. Wonderful job, Jackie. Thank you. And you'll have 12 cookies ready for the oven. Our preheated oven is on at 350 degrees and they're in for 9 minutes. So we're about to place our beautiful peanut butter cookies in the preheated oven. And here, I'll take it from you. And Google set a timer for 9 minutes. And Jackie, our timer's gone off, so let's see what you've made. Oh, look. They are beautiful and they smell wonderful, Jackie.
We're so lucky today to have Mr. Matt Tessier. He's going to read us this crazy book about a silly mixed up fall. See if you can see all the craziness and silly things that fall has mixed up.
All right, hey kids. My name is Matt Tessier. I'm the Deputy Director of this wonderful place called LPB. Hope you're enjoying our programming. I'm going to read you a book today. Hope that's all right. It's called Fall Mixed Up by Bob Raxa with illustrations by Chad Cameron. I'm thinking things are going to get a little bit crazy in this book, so just prepare yourselves, guys. Okay, yeah, I know things are going to get crazy now. Check out this cornucopia full of candy. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Fall Mixed Up. And this is actually dedicated to every boy and girl whose favorite season is fall. Okay. Every September, every October, fall fills my senses with scenes to remember. Apples turn orange, pumpkins turn red, leaves float up into the blue skies overhead. Okay, yeah, that's weird. Leaves should be falling down, right guys? Bears gather nuts, Geese hibernate? That's wild. This is a wild book. I love it. Squirrels fly south in big figure eights. I would love to see that. Scarecrows stand guard over candy corn sprouts. You'll see the candy corn sprouts. Milkweed pods open and monarchs fly out. I guess that's weird. I don't know. Leave a comment if you know what's weird about that. You guys are smarter than me, so I'm going to rely on you guys for that. Touchdowns are hit. Home runs are kicked. Kids leap in great heaping piles of sticks. Don't do that, kids. I hope these children have a lot of Band-Aids around the house. They're going to need them. Hats cover hands. Gloves cover ears. Bonfires cool off fronts and our rears. Check this out. These marshmallows are freezing over the fire. This is wild. Warm apple syrup, baked maple seeds, and caramel pumpkins taste yummy indeed. Wolves say meow. Black cats say whoo. Horned owls howl at a full moon. Oh, that's crazy. Love it. Mummies go bats. Vampires ride brooms. Tightly wrapped witches escape from their tombs. Neighbors give stuffing and drumsticks for treats. This kid's bag is leaking gravy. It's not good, not good. Families give thanks for a bounty of sweets. Look at that table. That looks okay to me. Can this be fall? Close, but not quite. Go back and find all the things that aren't right. So we just pointed out all the things that aren't right, so you don't have to go back. But if you do have this book, please go back and find all those wacky things in here. So anyway, I hope you kids have a happy Thanksgiving. Take time to reflect on all the things that you're thankful for this year. We all have a lot to be thankful for. I know I am thankful that I get to talk to you guys and read you great books like this. I'm thankful for getting to work at LPB, and we'll see you next year, guys.
So suppose you can't get outside to collect your nature materials for your nature frame we're going to make today. That's okay, because Miss Nancy's going to show us a great PBS KIDS game called Nature's Art Box.
I'm going to show you how to play Nature's Cat Nature Art Box. Remember, you always go to pbskids.org/games. You'll look for Nature Cat, and then you'll click on Nature Art Box. Also, don't forget you can use the PBS Kids Games app on any mobile device as well. So here we go. This is Nature Art Box. We're going to click on the play button.
Hello there! Check out all the amazing art we can make from nature!
Man, oh man, I love making art from leaves and feathers and other things I find in nature. It's so sweet! I can't wait. It's gonna be gorgeous. Just gorgeous.
And we get to make a big mess, right? Onward and artward! Here's where you can store and view your latest creations!
Tap on any of the pictures to view or continue working on a previous picture. Hey, tap here to start a new masterpiece.
And tap here to view or customize your art box cover. Tiddy!
All right, we're going to start a new masterpiece.
say you?
So we're going to
Let's
click on the
make
plus sign.
Whoa! Look at all the amazing nature art supplies! Select a tool to get started.
Select a tool. Look at all these tools.
I mean,
you
who'd
can use.
lilac
We're gonna
brush?
Click on the feather.
Man, oh man, look at all the colors to choose from. You can choose your colors up here. You can move the slider up and down to choose the size here.
So if I go up to the big green dot, it makes a big.
Look at all the special items you can add to your design.
Move the lever down, and it makes. I'm going to change it to red, and look how much smaller my nature item is. I'm gonna click on this tool right here.
Ooh, look at all these art tools we can get messy with. I get to make art and get dirty at the same time. That is a win-win for me, baby.
Notice
Here's where
that
we can
this
scatter
menu has
seeds.
an arrow to the right, so you can use any of these nature items. So don't forget to look to the left and to the right.
Here's where we can scatter. You really have an act for
flower.
creating nature art. Look at all this.
So much to choose from, it's
I can
hard to
pick
decide.
An insect or a butterfly. I can move this. We have the box. I can click, hold, and drag and move the box.
Look at all the special items you can add to your design.
I
Look
can
at
choose
these
a
amazing
background.
backgrounds to make.
You also have some Nature Cat stamps here.
Oh,
that you can
stickers, I just
use.
love stickers. You can stick them anywhere.
And you can click, hold, and drag and move these stickers around. You can make your character bigger by click, holding, and dragging a corner. Or you can click it in to make it smaller. And I can move him wherever I want. So there you go. That's a beautiful picture we have here made from nature. And when you're ready to save your artwork, you're going to press the
This is where you
check
can
mark.
save your.
And we're going to save it to the gallery. We're just going to click on one of these boxes and we're going to click the check mark.
Way to go. You saved that picture. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So now we've saved our picture. And if you want to start another one, you simply click this back green arrow, the white arrow in the green box. And you can start all over again. So gamers, I hope you enjoy Nature Cat's Nature Art Box. Have fun!